still in there? Hey, she's still in there? You know if she's still in there? Hey, we know you still in there. Open the door. Open the door. Come on. Wait, bro, look. This her phone. It's under the door. What she doing? She trying to record us. What's that, her phone? Yep. Let me see. Move out the way. Move out the way. You still in there?
Bitch. Paw. Give me your motherfucking paw. Give me the fucking ball. Paw. Good boy.
Wait, Raiders in the house. Who the fuck dog is this then? This ain't their dog. Who the fuck dog is this? That was their dog. No? It's not their dog. Hey, who the fuck dog is this? Hey!
I told her she could sleep in my bed if she could get on it, and this is what she did.
Hold it.
Minushka, do you have comment? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now all you have to eat are beets to feed your children. Minushka, you have a comment.
See, they're okay. It's just a movie.
Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
It's recording. Don't you do anything to my phone. Dixie, it's my phone. Dixie. Stop it.
I'm about to bite you like a bum. 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 Are you crazy or just lazy? Ain't no Kimball in this house. I should knock you down.
Callie, go wipe your bum.
I had to do a photo shoot with these two big dogs.
I'm about to bite you like a bum. I'm about to bite you like a bum. I'm about to bite you like a bum. Are you crazy or just lazy? Ain't no Kimball in this house. I should knock you down.
Are you pressed? Are you mad? Are you upset? Are you sad? Give me a dick, let me give you a hug.
saying.
Now, I know it was a 10-piece of Captain J's in there with extra lemon pepper before I got out the car.
Hold on, let me put the bread back out. Deontay, why the fuck would you do that? Why would you do that, Deontay? I'm taking your motherfucking ass home. You out of line.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried you're going to ask for it back, and they don't want to acknowledge that they owe you money, so they just kind of look there and they're like...
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see. Because I don't care when I'm with my baby.
When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you.
They won't let me out. Locked up. They won't let me out. No. They won't let me out. Locked up. They won't let me out.
Stop acting like you on one of them hungry.
I was in the grocery store for like 2 minutes. I had to run in there, grab us something to eat, and I came right back out. I got ice cream. You want some ice cream when we get home? No? I was literally gone for 2 minutes. And you could see me the whole time. The whole front of the grocery store is glass. You could see me the whole time. You gonna paddle all the way home?
Okay? Walk it.
Wow! Rudy's got some motoring skills.
Jump. Tunnel. Go back. Back.
Just an off course. 5 faults, got back on course.
Jump.
Don't worry about it, hang in there.
Climb it.
Here we go.
Back.
Got that backside that time.
Go jump. Weave.
Here come these weed poles. Come on, nobody expected this out of a bulldog tonight. Wow, that was awesome.
You guys want a cookie?
Llama.
Bad dog, where you been? Huh? Bad dog.